Indian Council for Cultural Relations ICCR Zonal Office Northeast harangkat kejingat Trailang bat katanat of Arts and Culture Khhuborjylla kan penlong ya ka 11th India International Dance and Music Festival ke ba Arsngi Kynthih kata ha ka arpuar bat arpulai tarik kelalengkot arhajar arpun riu ha ususutham auditorium Shillong ha kapor riu bajejan mit habakran shikilat pathai Khubor ha Shillong Press Club ha ka arpuwei tarik kelalengkot U Director ka Indian Council for Cultural Relations U N Munish Singh ulayat hu bakani ka tamasa Rwai bat Shad kala sedang ha New Delhi bat hakiwei ke Jella Kynthih ha Bangalore Baroda Ahmedabad Jammu Chandigarh bat Mentah kalawan pai Shillong Hakani ka tamasa ba Arsngi and wan Rwai bat tem ni kijing Rwai tenrai na lai Tylli kari ka Pyrthei Kynthih ya kari Maldives kari Kyrgyzstan bat kari Burkina Faso
Good evening to dear friends present in the press club Shillong. Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Zonal Office, Northeast India. We are organizing 11th India International Dance and Music Festival in Shillong. At the Usosotam Auditorium on the 22nd and the 23rd of this month, that is January 2026, at from 6 p.m. onwards. So we are organizing this event in collaboration with the Department of Art and Culture, Government of Meghalaya. So we are very happy that amongst us we have a very colorful troupe from Kyrgyzstan, and they are known as the Alam folk cultural team. So they just arrived in Shillong and they're gonna perform tomorrow at the Sosotam Auditorium. Tomorrow Kyrgyzstan will be performing their folklore, culture, music, everything, as you can see, the colorful costumes that they are wearing. So we are gonna see a lot of their song, dance, and the musics all together in one compact, event. So again on the 23rd, we have groups from Maldives. It's a rock fusion band who can perform. They are known as the 21st. And then we have another group also from a country, Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso, this is a musical ensemble that we're gonna organize. So this 11th India International Dance and Music Festival, we kick-started it from New Delhi, and then it is being organized in other 6 states of 6 other places of India, including Shillong. We have Bangalore, Jammu, Chandigarh, Baroda, Ahmedabad, like that, and then ultimately in Shillong we are starting from tomorrow and day after. It is a part of the cultural accents, and we're going to see the vibrant culture of these 3 very rich cultural places, countries that we have, that is starting from the Kyrgyzstan, then the Maldives and Burkina Faso. Thank you so much. Excuse me?
Any participant from India?
Yeah, our local artists will also be there to perform in certain places, as a joint performance, but mainly it is for our groups from abroad.
Last year
It was a folk festival, international folk festival. This one is dance and music festival. Yes, last year also during the same time we have organized the same kind of event. Yeah, you are very correct.
what is the response?
response is really good, and Shillong is one of the favorite place for our artists from foreign countries to perform. Last time also, previous our edition also was a grand success. We did it at Larity multi-purpose hall, and it was highly successful. And we believe that our tomorrow's event also and the after also will also be a very colorful event with audience from all around coming to see the beautiful event.
How do you connect with this?
Music has no language, no community, no bar. Music connects people through their own way. So I believe that this kind of cultural access definitely will help our local artists, as well as our artists from Kyrgyzstan will also take away some of the fond memories and the culture and the lifestyle, music, dance of this place also. So it's like a exchange of culture, as I said. So this definitely will help in both ends. They are not that much into English speaking, that's why otherwise I would have. You want to speak few lines? 26 at 6 from 6 p.m. onwards. So we are organizing this event. They are known as the Alam folk cultural team. So they just arrived in Shillong and they're gonna perform their folklore culture. Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso is a musical ensemble that we're gonna organize. So organize in other 6 states of 6 other places of North India, including in Shillong. We are starting from tomorrow, and the other countries that we have, that is starting from Kyrgyzstan, then the Maldives and the Burkina Faso. Thank you so much.